I was asked a question today which really got me thinking. So in this video, I wanted to talk about the Court of Protection and Deputyships and help people understand just what is a Deputyship and what the Court of Protection is and does. So when I talk about Deputyships, we are talking about the ability to help somebody make decisions if they have lost mental capacity. So if we're wanting to help somebody and support somebody with things like managing their finances, or it might be a decision about care where somebody lives, we have two main options. So one is to make a power of attorney, a lasting power of attorney. So that will be made by the person who wants somebody to be able to help them and support them into making financial decisions, health and welfare decisions, for example, care or medical decisions. And the other option is to apply to the Court of Protection to be appointed as a deputy. And that's where somebody lacks mental capacity to make decisions or manage their finances, and again, lack mental capacity to make health and welfare decisions. The question I was asked today was, can a parent apply to be a deputy for their child? And the reason why that question came up was because the person thought that only, or had heard somewhere, that only a professional, so for example, a solicitor, could be appointed as a deputy. So anybody can apply to be a deputy for somebody. So that might be a child, an adult child. It might be an elderly parent if they have, for example, dementia and they need assistance with managing their finances, accessing their bank accounts, their money, paying for care. It might be, as I say, an adult child who perhaps has a vulnerability or a disability, which means that their ability to manage their finances is impaired and they need help in making decisions for themselves because they lack mental capacity. So absolutely, a parent can apply to be a deputy in those circumstances, as can any other family member or anybody else. It is important that you do think about being a deputy and what that entails, what the role is, what your responsibilities are, whether you can actually fulfill that role. And there certainly are times when a professional, so for example, a solicitor, may want to be appointed as a deputy for somebody. So it might be that an adult hasn't got any family members. It might be because there's some conflict within the family, which means a professional is needed to help manage that. It might be because the person has a large estate, so they may have lots of money, they may have investments which need professional advice. So there are times and there are situations when a professional will be needed, but it is open for a parent or for any family member or anybody who is concerned about somebody and wants to help them to apply to the Court of Protection to be their deputy. I hope that's helpful. Let me know in the comments, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I would really, really appreciate it.